Hi everyone and welcome back again. We have got another Klein Tools, a stubby this time. So this is a Stubby Multi-Bit Screwdriver nut driver. Okay, so by the looks of things, you got 6 bits in one. So it says Stubby Multi. So part number 32561. There you go. There's all the bits that it's got. Number 1, number 2, 3/16, quarter inch nut driver, and 5/16 nut driver. We're metric, but hey ho. Compact design features standard 1/4 shaft, integrated screwdriver, nut driver shafts, holds 4 universal tips and converts to 2 nut driver sizes, cushion grip, handle for the superior torque and comfort, which I don't disagree with the other 2 that I had. I was loving the grip. You know what? I am starting to love these Klein Tools. I'm in the UK, but I am actually getting drawn to these, but we're only limited on what Klein Tools that we get unless I really search. But you know, shipping, I got grievance against shipping, but you know, if I can find it on Amazon, I'll get it free shipping. So we'll dive into this one and we'll have a look at it. So here we are. We've got the bits out in there. First impressions, I'm liking it. You know, I'm not going to say I'm a fanboy of Klein Tools, but I'm liking it. But just noticed, shame about the quality there. What is happening there? You know, it's like this one. Perfect. I'm liking it. You know, but what is happening there? I just hope that doesn't fall to bits. I really do. But anywho, nice. You saw that it's in there nice. So there's no chance of it falling out. Bits are in there nice and tight, all dent. So this must be the Phillips 2 and then 3/16 flat blade. What does it say in metric? Does it give metric 3/16 or whatever it is? Quarter? No, not in metric, but I'm more interested in the screwdriver. That's in solid, yeah. So obviously that is the quarter, and that'll be the 3/16. Is it 3/16? Yeah, 3/16 fit. So that is not going to fit in there, and that will fit. Won't stay in there. So put that back in there. What do I need? What do I use the most? I use the Phillips most, and that's going in there. You know what? That's quite compact. Liking it. You know, this is. I reckon I could get plenty of torque on that. What do you think? Do you like Klein Tools? Part numbers there. I know all you Americans would like in these, but you know, I'm in the UK. This is pretty cool. But I have noticed Work Pro Are they American? Work Pro? I don't know, but I'm liking it. I really am. So there it is again. All the bits. So you got the number 1, you got the number 2, you got the 3/16, and you got the quarter. And then you got the quarter, and then you got the 5/16 nut drivers. Pretty cool. And then it just shows you here on how it is. Got it on the top. Oh, surprise, surprise. Made in Taiwan. Looking brilliant. And there we have it. So, yeah, liking it. Shame about the imperfection here. Or is it? Leave a comment down below if you've had one of these where it's like that. Should have opened it up sooner. But hey ho. I'm like, overall, a bar that, I'm liking it. Bit of imperfection there. But what can you do? So we'll call it on that one, and I'll see you on the next one. If you could do me a big favor, like, share, subscribe to my channel, that'd be awesome. Give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one.